welcome back guys to another project of HTML CSS holiday project series. If you're a beginner who is trying to learn HTML and CSS, I have created the series of project in this channel. You can watch it. I'll add the link in the description. You can get the link from the description. Talking about the project, this is the second project of this series. I've already created uh, part one, and not part one but another project, and I have created multiple project as well. So again, talking about this project, we have this nice travel blog where we have the banner available for each beach, mountain, city, and then we have some you know image in a container, like three different section available. Then we have the world map here available. Here we have the header. If I click on mountain, the mountain image or the background image will appear. If I click on city, the city image will appear, and if I click on map, the map will appear. Same way, the beach will also appear when I click on it. So that is what we are going to create. It is a basic project, and we are just going to create this. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll start with HTML, then we will start with CSS. I'll close this. I will close this also, and here I'll go inside the YouTube and HTML CSS, HTML CSS weekend projects, and I will create one folder here. This will be travel blog. I will double click and I will open with code. I will create index.html first, and exclamation enter will get the boilerplate. Here in the body, I will add the div with the class of navbar. Inside this, we will be having ahref hash beach. This will be beach. Same way, we will be having the mountain map and everything. So this, this, and this will be mountain. Copy it, paste it here, capital M. Then we have the city. Copy it, and this will be city. We will have the map and map. Save it. Come outside this div, and here we will be having the section 1, and also we will be having the ID beach, small b. Yeah, we will be having the div here. So div, inside this div we will be having h1 and p, which is just a heading and text. So I'm not going to add that. you know and after this we will be having the h1 and p tag. So I'm not going to type it. I'll just copy and paste it there. Same way, we got this. We have to copy it and we have to paste it for two more times. This will be section 2, and this will be mountain, and this is the explore majestic mountain. Here you have to add. Same way, you can copy it, paste it here. This will be section 3, and this will be city, and get it, this vibrant city life, and paste it here. We are done with the section part. Now we have to create the gallery which was there, right? So this will be a class of gallery, image src. I'll remove this and we have to add the image here, right? So what I will do, I have already have my images, so I will create the folder and I will add the link in a description so you can get the image link from there. This is the images that we have and we have to reveal in File Explorer and I have to paste it here. We will get all the images that we have and here we have to add the image link. So images, this will be travel, blog, beach. Copy it, paste it two more times and here it will be travel, blog, mountain and travel, blog, city. And after this we have to add the map and we have to add the footer. So map and id map. We'll get this. Just keep it blank for now. We don't have to add it here. Footer we'll have the class of footer p tag and copy. So we will get the copyright symbol, travel, blog, designed by fun and learn. I'll save it. What I'll do, I will run this and let's see how it looks. We won't be able to see anything. Okay, so this is how it looks. We have the text, p tag, h1 and everything, but we are not having any background for beaches, mountains and everything. We are going to add that using CSS. So let's start with the CSS now. This will be style.css and here the first will be body, comma, HTML, margin of 0, padding of 0, font family, Poppins, comma, sans serif, and scroll behavior will be smooth. Now, after this, we will be having the section, right? So section, just copy it and paste it from here. This is the section. Height will be 100 VH. Display flex. Align item center. Justify content center. Color will be white. Text align center. Position relative. Background size will be cover. Background attachment will be fixed. Save it. Let's see how it looks. There is no difference. Now we have the section h1. We will have font size of 4 rem. Margin will be 0. Text shadow we will be having 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 5 pixels. RGBA 0.7 and this will also be 0. We will be having the section p tag. Font size will be 4 rem. width will be 60%, margin will be 20 pixels, auto. Now we will be having this section 1, so just now copy it, paste it here, and then we will be having the background URL, images, travel blog. Same way we will be having for section 2, and we will be having for section 3, and this is how we will be adding the background for our page. If you will see, I guess we haven't added the CSS yet, so let's add that link CSS. And now if I'll go and if I will see, this is how it looks. Oh, this looks good. Okay, city image is not correct because we remove the G from here. Now if we will see, this is how it looks. This looks good, and P we added 4 rem, we have to add the 1.5 and it will look good. And now if we will see, this is how it looks. This looks good. This also looks good. We have to style our nav as well. So let's do that. So here we have the nav bar. Position will be fixed, top 0, display flex, width will be 100%, justify content center, padding top bottom 20 pixels, left right 0, background will be RGBA, 0.7 will work, so just add this. Z index will be 1000. Save it. We will be having the nav bar with a tag. Color will be white. Margin 0 and 20 pixels left right. Text decoration will be none. Font size 1.2 rem. Transition color 0.3 seconds. I'll save it. Let's see how it looks. We have the transparent header, a nav bar, and everything is here. If I go and if I click on mountain, I'll able to see the mountain, background or this text and all. If I click on city, I'll able to see the city. If I click on map, the map we haven't added that, we have to add that. But if I click on beach, then we will able to see the beach image. Now what we have to do is we have to work on gallery, right? So just get the class from here and add it here. Display will be flex, wrap, gap will be of 20 pixels. If you will see now, there's a gap of 20 pixels, right? We have to give the height and width for this. We haven't given it yet. And justify content will be center, padding will be 50 pixels and 0 pixels. We have the background color F4, F4, F9, some white color. Then we have to give the gallery image. Width will be 500 pixels. Height will be 300 pixels. Border radius 15 pixels. Box shadow 0, 4 pixels, 10 pixels. RGBA 007, but should add this as a 02. And transition transform 0.3 seconds, ease, and this is the transition, but it will happen on the hover, when we hover on the image, right? So transform scale will be 1.05. Now if you go and if you see, this is how it looks when you hover on it, you'll able to see the nice effect. It will magnify some pixels because we have added the transition and transform. Also guys, there are multiple things which I haven't explained it to you, which was, so guys, one thing that we forgot to add is to add no repeat here. No repeat, center. Now this looks good. If you remove it, it will look good, but this will get stretched. But if I add this, if you will see now, this looks good. Now same way you have to add it here and here as well. Now if you will look all the image, it will it will not be stretched, but it will look good. Earlier it was like this, it was little stretched. This is done. Now we also worked on the gallery. Now we have to add the map and we have to add the footer, right? That is the last thing that we have to do. So let's work on map. Height will be 80 VH. Width will be 100%. Background URL images world map. Same way you have to add the no repeat center, and we will get the map here. So it is 80 VH. If you will do 100 VH, it will cover whole screen. If I'll do 100 VH now, if you'll see, this will cover whole screen. So you can add the 100 VH or 80 VH according to your need. I have added 80 VH. Here the background size will be cover. We're done with this. Last thing is footer, and we have added the class footer, right? Yeah, you can directly add the footer or you can add the class, doesn't matter because we have only one footer here. So you can work with the class or you can work with the directly with the footer, doesn't matter because we have only one footer. The last thing will be background 3 times 3 and color will be white, text align center, padding 30 pixels. I'll save it. Let's see how our page looks now. We have the, this header, we have the banner available, we have the this container gallery, we have the world map, then we have the footer. Everything looks good and we are done with our project. It was simple, sweet, and not much to do with the functionality. This project looks good if you go ahead and if you uh, check the full page of this project. It will look good. I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. If you magnify this, we have it available. I'll do this. This is how it looks, and it looks perfect. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, this tutorial. I will be uploading another tutorial to this series, the weekend project series. So stay tuned. Thank you and bye.